How to mute ringtone on Truecaller on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute ringtone on Truecaller on Android or iOS phone. First open Truecaller, and once you're here, click on your profile in the top corner, and now click the settings icon here, and once you're here, just click sounds, and as you see here you will find ringtone. Click on it, and then here we'll find ringtones. Just search for none and click OK. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.